Alright, so this episode of Crystal Lake Customs, I'm going to be doing a hockey mask in the style of an NES, Jason, but not the one from the video game with the bluish color and the purple and whatnot. I'm going to be basing it on the NES console, doing that color scheme and design and stuff. Let's see what it ends up looking like, because I'm going to go over and see my pants, so check it out. Thanks for watching, guys. A big shout out to the Facebook page right here, Anything Gaming LLC up in Indianapolis, for giving me the extra cartridge that I used for the mask. I really like this version. Everybody, when they do the NES Jason, they do, the bluish one with the purple and whatnot. I thought I'd actually base it more on the gaming console itself. And so keep watching. If you like what you see, remember, comment, like, share, subscribe. Tell me what you want me to want to see me do and stuff. And I'll give you guys a clue to the next one I'm getting ready to work on.